How many got a cop?
And on my board, that's Brando, no one to that purple and black. No, this not a regular route. Don't turn up the channel, no Brando keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take that challenger right off the ice, water straight to the 1 to 100K, so by the share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brando judge out the vid, we go Brando from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Brando the littest. YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy OhThatsBrando, and I'm back with another video for y'all today, man. Hey, man, say, man, I know y'all asking, where have I been? Listen, bro, life happens, bro. Let me stop that shit. But no, bro, I just been slacking, but hey, don't worry, bro, I'm back, bro, I'm back. But before I say anything, bro, make sure y'all like this video, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment, bro. You know, my birthday was last week, so, you know, I've been tied up doing a lot of, you know, personal reevaluation and shit like that. But no, life been good though. But I'm back though. I'm back giving y'all bangers every week. I'm dropping every week, so hit that subscribe button. You got a video every week. But anyway, today I'm with the gang. He jumping somebody. We got the rest of the gang in Wendy's. We're going to Chicago. Well, we're going to Indianapolis, but it's a Chicago meet. Great. If that makes sense. Like, it's Chicago versus everybody, but it's in Indianapolis. And I guess Indianapolis is right under Chicago, so we just gonna say we're going to the rack. We're going to the rack, going to Chicago. We got a 9-hour drive. About 4 or 5 of us. I'm not ready for the drive, but I'm ready, because I'm ready to get out here, bro. I'm back on the content. I'm back giving out these videos. So enough of me talking. I'm gonna just, hopefully they got me something. Let's go see if they got me something. Let's go. Oh, we got what we got?
Type shit. A little something.
Okay. So we go. What do I want? I can't eat this shit, to be honest with you, but
that chicken nuggets is all white meat, gang.
Good.
Yeah, all white meat. Good shit.
Hold on.
And when you bite into them.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Alright, we gonna go. Shoot sauce.
Cream filling, shoot all in your mouth.
Brother,
Nasty bitch.
Alright, bet.
Choose drink.
We gonna go.
Sayer did a Sprite. I did a Sprite too, like, fuck it. You really get your own drink the whole time.
Oh, the bottom of naked, no thanks. Alright, bet.
No,
I mean, W dummy. Oh, damn. W dummy. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Bro, what are you doing, bro? Tell them to subscribe to the channel, or I'm gonna beat you up. Tell them to subscribe, or I'm gonna beat you up.
Subscribe.
Or I'm gonna do what? Or I'm gonna beat you up, bro. Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Damn. Toss the keys. Damn. And we in a track car, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know, all white track car with the white seats. Track car. Yeah, it's a sleeper track. They don't know too much about this. Chat. It is the next morning. Oh, damn, who is that? Ooh, who is that? Anyway, bro, it's the next morning. Just woke up in Chicago, Indy, Illinois. Good bed, B&B. About to go ahead and start the day, man. So, about to get up, get my mind right there. My hair is, oh, y'all getting I got shit in my eyes. Anyways, y'all getting before the madness, during the madness, and after the madness today of this pit in Chicago. This B&B is scary as fuck, I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, bro, we checking out the B&B. Ain't gonna lie, this is one weird ass B&B. Like the review, they told us don't go in the basement. I don't know what the fuck that mean, but we did not go in the basement. But if I book a B&B and you tell me not to go in the closet or not to go in, I'm gonna ask your ass like why. But this shit, yeah, I didn't even sleep well in that motherfucker. I don't know why. But that bitch like a fucking haunted house. So we better go ahead, pack up, and get ready to go to the pit and be turned. So Chad, we just made it to this pit is country as fuck. Like, the pit is so small, bro. I don't even know how drivers can even drive in this shit. Like, I'm gonna show y'all though, but the pit's over there. I'm gonna go ahead and walk y'all over there and show you the pit, but the pit is super small. So I don't know. We're gonna expect a lot of crashes today, chat. You feel me? But let's go check this pit out. It's good weather, like 71 degrees. I'm out here in Chicago. Let's see this small ass pit. So I guess they're about to do some type of rev battle to see who cars the loudest. So they said a neighbor had called just called the police for complaining about the noise. So I guess he's about to piss the neighbors off by having all these cars rev and shit. I just want to see some action, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, let me know in the comments who had the loudest car out here. I got my money on that scat, but we shall see.
Oh, got the phone.
Been signing the merch for your boy.
Shit. Mafia man himself.
Great love.
You don't got no budget.
What, so you gonna sign my shirt too, bro? It's filled in?
CEO.
Bro, that boy over here working. Look at him. My boy over here working. Hey, bro, you see the logo. You see the logo, bro.
We got mental disabled kids on horses. Okay, you good. 2 p.m. you're good to go. Before 2 p.m. no. 2 p.m. then.
They chimping out. They chimping out.
That's really my 40! He's really a driver!
Oh, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
That boy really put belt to ass!
6.
Got him!
I'm not gonna lie, they been pretty decent. They been pretty decent. It's country as hell, bro, but they been deep as hell though. But the pit small, but they working the pit so good. But this shit straight. I ain't gonna hold you. I thought it was gonna be ass on how small the pit was, but this shit actually straight. So I'm gonna turn it back on once some cars start sliding. I'm in the bit with my Ohio twin. She about to go crazy. What you gotta say to the vlog, twin? Nervous? How you feeling?
I'm nervous. I'm nervous as fuck because I ain't slid in like forever.
But we got faith in her, right, Chet? We gonna have faith in her to pop her shit. But I'm gonna give y'all a POV of her sliding and shit like that. Hey, go ahead, sis. Pop your shit. You got it. Let's go.
We gonna try, brother.
Hey, clear it out. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Comfortable with me getting in there or no?
Wait until I do my first pass, then I'll play. What the fuck?
Trying to drill for real. So you want that pill, or you trying to drill for real, or you trying to kill for real? I don't need no pill, I'm all that side and grind, trying to leave me around they chasing shit to get turned to a day. Make your mama sad and wait, pick your fate. You love to switch a drink, slow and either. Turn your ass into some good side. You ever heard of either? Smoking somewhere else around this shit here come from Puerto Rico. I got a bad bitch from Mexico. She say, Poppy, I need you, baby. I'm ready. It's your time to go. Gotta pack your shit.
Hey, he crashed. Damn! Damn! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Damn! She'll be alright. Damn!
I think it's
Oh my God!
You're good. The airbags are still in. You're good. Pull that bitch back in.
Damn, he just smacked right into the motherfucking wall. He might have cracked that bit while I'm playing. Damn!
Welcome to the pit, baby.
Damn!
Hey, it do sound great, though. It do sound good. How did that make you feel?
Bro, that's embarrassing, bro. That's my man!
Huh?
Niggas never would've thought that I could be this rich. Check out with them, we come through on some Jesus creepy shit.
Smoke grenade? You want a smoke grenade?
Hell, off the grass. Fuck no.
God damn!
Damn, look at music fucked up. Back up! Do not make me tell you again! Back up! Out of here! Stop talking crazy! What the fuck are you talking about? Get water! It's water! Separate them all! Oh my God! What the fuck? Brother, I understand. It's water! Come on, leave this bitch. You gotta touch me. It's all love for all the hoes.
Hold on, wait a minute. Was I having a normal conversation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and he
Get
had
your
to
bitch.
No, don't need to be that. You need to get your man.
I need y'all to still.
My man's right here.
I'm gonna need y'all to stop. Break it up. Back up.
They Mason. Why he Mason the ground? What the fuck? Bro, that nigga tweaking. That bitch ass nigga tweaking. That bitch Mason the ground.
What the fuck going on?
Bro, niggas out here Mason and shit. Bro, this shit. Hey, this shit is crazy. You good, sis? Please calm down for me, okay? Please.
I'm fine.
Calm down.
I'm fine. I just had to make sure.
Watch out, guys.
Oh shit, excuse me.
Imagine this bitch just give out, bro.
No, hey, that's I'm not on it like that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Somebody get a spike in or something.
Hurry up, nigga. I'm trying to blow it up.
Bro, the disrespect is
It's
crazy.
burning. Fuck them niggas.
He aiming a bazooka at
That
the...
little ass flame. That little ass flame, man. We gonna be here all month.
He did warn y'all.
I warned everybody.
He did warn every single person.
Every single fucking person.
Yup. He warned everyone.
We literally just went through and checked.
We literally just went through and did checks. And everybody knows the fucking rules.
And we've been
You guys want to
all
talk
day.
about let's keep doing shit. This right here. Can't follow a simple fucking rule because you couldn't get here early enough to get a VIP pass.
Can't kick him out. Keep him out.
Hey, I'm done with it. This is like the 10th time I had to come out here and be a dick.
It's respectable because
Alright.
I know how long y'all been doing it. But
I got a lot of bullshit I'm dealing with the county. So you guys can come here, camp with us, and have a good time. I gotta deal with this shit. Motherfuckers sneaking
was it?
in.
Who was it?
Motherfuckers coming out here where they're not supposed to be. This is the problem.
But who was it? Can we see who it
I
was?
already kicked them out. I'm done.
Regardless of who it was,
I'm done.
it's not just one person. It's hella people.
It's hella people doing it. It's not just one person.
Keep kicking
Turn me up, that film.
I keep kicking them out.
I'm beat you up.
I mean, I don't want to deal with it no more. I'm tired of fucking arguing.
I don't know.
I'm really tired of it.
Pit closed. Let me put, I'll put the,
This
I'll,
is closed.
I'll put the stop sign.
Listen. The pit is closed, but they can still stay out there.
The pit's closed. You guys can hang out there.
The pit is closed, so mind you.
All right, chat, this is gonna go ahead and end the whole video today, man. Hey, man, shout out to Indy and shout out to Chicago, man. Y'all really show love. Y'all really popped. Damn, I'm black as hell. Y'all really show love and y'all really popped it, man. And we got a 9-hour drive back. I've been knocked out on majority of the ride, so we really got like 3 hours back till we get back to Atlanta, man. But I just want to say thank y'all for watching the video. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm back, dropping weekly. You know what I'm saying? I know I've been gone for so long, but I'm back. And now we got like the little 3-hour drive. Once I get home, I'm gonna crash. And I'm gonna get to this video. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'm out.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. I'm